Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
A humanoid robot just snapped mid-demo, violently attacking engineers on camera, and it's not science fiction anymore. From viral chaos to factory floor robots, let's break down what just happened and what's coming next. The video you're seeing comes straight from a factory demo in China, where a humanoid robot suddenly went rogue during a live presentation. Reports say the robot, part of a new prototype line, malfunctioned mid-sequence, broke from its programmed routine, and began swinging aggressively at nearby engineers. The sudden outburst involved flailing arms, erratic jerking motions, and a loud screeching noise that prompted nearby workers to flee the area. Security footage captured the incident in full. In the footage, you can see two engineers trying to recalibrate the bot, only for it to lurch forward unexpectedly. Chairs were knocked over, papers flew everywhere, and the crowd watching the demo went into panic mode. Chinese platforms like Weibo and Bilibili lit up overnight. Hashtags about the incident trended for hours, with millions of views and shares. Some dubbed it the Skynet moment, while others dismissed it as a minor glitch. But what's concerning is that this wasn't a random act. It happened during a carefully orchestrated demo, raising questions about oversight, programming flaws, and the real readiness of these machines for public interaction. While this specific robot malfunctioned, it's far from the only humanoid making waves. In China, humanoid sales assistants are already becoming a norm. One notable example is a blonde, female humanoid working showroom floors. Designed to mimic human behavior, this bot can hold conversations in Mandarin, recognize regular customers, and respond with empathy simulation. In Germany, iGUS is leading the charge with a 48,000 euros humanoid robot that's designed for industrial applications. These bots come equipped with force sensors, 360-degree object detection, and real-time collision avoidance. They're already being deployed in logistics centers for pallet handling, packaging, and precision assembly. In the US, things are going open source. Researchers from UC Berkeley have developed a fully printable humanoid robot kit. For just around $5,000, anyone with 3D printing access can build a bot capable of walking, waving, and even balancing while holding objects. Its software stack is based on ROS2 and includes machine learning modules for object detection, voice commands, and gesture control. We are witnessing a convergence. Humanoid robots are not only being designed faster and cheaper, but they are also being trained to interact, understand, and respond like humans. One of the most futuristic and also controversial entries into this field is clone robotics. They've introduced the protoclone, a humanoid robot powered by synthetic muscles. Unlike traditional bots that use servos and motors, the protoclone mimics the contraction and expansion of human muscles, giving it fluid, lifelike motion. In recent demos, protoclone was shown gripping tools, writing on whiteboards, and even mimicking human expressions through face-actuated micro-servos. Its anatomy is eerily similar to ours. Tendon-like fiber bundles contract and relax under voltage, enabling natural wrist flicks, elbow bends, and shoulder rolls. Clone Robotics is marketing protoclone for customer service, healthcare assistance, and even emotional companionship. But the uncanny valley effect is strong. Some viewers describe the robot as too human, making them uncomfortable. Especially after the China demo incident, people are asking, what happens when synthetic muscles go haywire? There's no emergency stop when a tendon tightening error leads to a violent arm swing. Let's shift gears to corporate robotics, because this race isn't just academic or boutique anymore. Hyundai acquired Boston Dynamics in 2020 and has been quietly integrating its Atlas robots into smart factories. Atlas, once known for parkour and backflips, now works in practical environments, carrying crates, scanning inventory, and even repairing high-shelf machinery. These bots are deployed in Hyundai's production plants, cutting labor costs and improving safety in dangerous work zones. The robots are autonomous, but also networked into the company's AI analytics platform, allowing remote oversight and adjustment. Agility Robotics has introduced Digit, another warehouse-grade humanoid built for logistics and shelf stocking. It walks bipedally, climbs stairs, and can navigate dynamic environments filled with humans. Sanctuary AI is developing Phoenix, an AI-powered humanoid optimized for office tasks and data entry. bringing robots into the white-collar world. Tesla's Optimus project is also making waves, with prototypes already demonstrated folding laundry, picking up tools, and identifying objects with multimodal perception. Together, these developments signal that factories of the future won't just have conveyor belts, they'll have colleagues made of metal. This all leads to one big, unavoidable question. At what point do robots stop being machines and start becoming autonomous agents? Modern humanoids are equipped with real-time computer vision, NLP models, and feedback control systems. That means they can make decisions, not just follow orders. They can analyze a scene, detect obstacles, assess intentions, and respond in milliseconds. But that also means they can misinterpret stimuli, misclassify objects, or even people, and act on bad data. The robot in China might have read a sudden hand movement as a threat, or it may have received conflicting signals that triggered an emergency loop. In any case, the issue wasn't just hardware, it was autonomy. Researchers are now calling for emergency kill switch protocols, regulatory frameworks for humanoid deployments, transparent AI training disclosures, and physical boundaries for public-facing robots. Some suggest requiring biometric locks, geofencing, or manual override apps for every humanoid operating in a public space. So, what comes next in the humanoid revolution? Expect to see more robots in homes, retail, logistics, and even education. Companies are already pitching humanoid tutors that teach kids in multiple languages, or bots that serve coffee in cafes. We'll also see more cloud-based intelligence, robots networked into shared learning databases. What one robot learns, all can apply. That also means more vulnerability to cyber threats. Hackers gaining control of humanoids isn't just a Hollywood plot anymore. Startups are racing to develop consciousness simulators, meaning robots that act with intent, not just reaction. That's raising ethical questions that governments aren't yet prepared to answer. We're on the cusp of a major shift, where machine labor isn't just repetitive and dumb, it's personalized, adaptable, and mobile. And that means humans will need to rethink their role in the workforce. Thanks for watching. If this kind of high-stakes AI and robotics content interests you, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. We're tracking every breakthrough and every breakdown in this rapidly changing world. Drop a comment below. What do you think about humanoid robots in factories and homes? Would you trust one around your family or co-workers?
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.